What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Lunar Classic video. So the market is very green today. As we can see, most coins up significantly. Overall, we got Bitcoin up at over $23,000. And do I think that this is going to last? The answer is no. I think that maybe we have some more legs to go higher, but I don't think that this pump is going to last because of the overall macroeconomic landscape. And of course, if Bitcoin starts to come back down, we're going to see the rest of the market come back down. So this is the warning for you guys that this potentially will not last. So act accordingly. If we do head over to the Bitcoin chart, we can see that I actually made the perfect trade. I got involved in Bitcoin in a long. Right here, I opened up the position. I told you guys about it, of course, and we actually wicked all the way down to pretty much exactly where I opened that. The reason I opened this, which is what I explained, is that was a line of resistance that we played 1, 2, 3, and we were playing of it for the fourth time. We broke out and then we had a retest. This is what's known as a bullish retest. So if you guys do want to stay up to date with trading, I highly suggest signing up to BitGet, where you can leverage trade here. You can do 1x leverage, 100x leverage, whatever you guys want. Of course, the higher the leverage, the higher the risk, much more risk. But if you do sign up to BitGet, you can get over $4,000 in bonuses. On top of that, just for my subscribers, if you follow the link in the description, you can get $110 in trading bonuses that you can use to trade any profits you make. You can take directly off the exchange. So many bonuses there. And the key to what's happening is learning as much as you can and just being involved. You want to be ready for a trade when the opportunity strikes. That's why you should sign up right now. But we got that opportunity. Now what I'm seeing is we have had a slight rejection here. We're going to wait to find out what happens, because right now there's essentially no resistance for a long time all the way up here. But if we get rejected here, which I think is the more likely scenario, it could be an opportunity to open up a short here. But we should wait for some confirmation of that happening first. But get ready by signing up to BitGet right now. Anyway, if we look at Ethereum, also we're seeing a very similar thing break out. We have testing of the resistance, breaking out all the way up to here. And again, we might be seeing a rejection coming in right now. So this is what we need to prepare for. And if this does get rejected, of course, the rest of the market will do the same. Terra Luna, surprisingly, not really doing much, but we have to take into consideration that not much is really happening. Of course, over here, which is great to see, we have had the social mentions up 25% and 31% in social engagement. That's great, but overall, cryptocurrency is down right now when it comes to search volume on YouTube and kind of worldwide on Google. We are at almost a low, right? These are the lows here in a bear market. 10 to maybe a max of 25 here, 20 here, and that's what we're looking for. And right now we haven't really entered that yet, so that's why I kind of think that we're still got a lot of bear market to come. Of course, history doesn't necessarily repeat itself, but it can rhyme. But these are interesting statistics to look at here. But if we do check out Lunar Classic, we can see that that is also significantly down from these pumps. Every time we come up here, that's when we're going to notice some spikes in the price of Lunar Classic, because lots of people are coming back into the system, or new people are finding about the community and what the plan is. Now the volume is down 30%. Again, what I've been talking about, if and when we get that 1.2% burn, we need this volume to be significantly higher, or it's going to take many years to get to that $1 range, even the 10-cent range. So do keep that in mind. But overall, we're not seeing much with Lunar Classic, but the important thing is we are seeing a lot of altcoins pumping. If this pump continues, I think that this may overspill into Lunar Classic, and that's what we want to see. But remember, we need to stay safe in this market. We need to take profits when the profits are available. Right now, we are out of extreme fear. We are in just fear. If we head up over to here, I think that it's likely, considering the overall macroeconomic landscape, that we come down from here quite significantly. Again, I'm still expecting Bitcoin to drop below this 17,000 that we wick down to. But one thing to take into consideration is the majority is normally wrong, and that's why we're having a pump right now. So don't listen to anyone really on social media in the mainstream. Do your own research and decide what you think is going to happen next. If you want to make the best of any situation, whether or not we go up or down, like I've explained, you can sign up to BitGet and you can benefit from either way. With that said, I hope I provided you with some value, and I'll see you in the next one.